Hello and welcome to this video. This is another video on Windows 8, hopefully less biased than my last one. I know it was biased and I was prepared for it to be biased, and I did hope that it wouldn't be as biased as it was, but as it was, I've got Adam here to kind of argue in Windows' favour.
Yeah, I am actually quite looking forward to Windows 8 because apparently you can turn off... No, apparently you can turn off Metro, and that is brilliant because then
Can you do it yet?
apparently it's just... Yeah, you can, and it's just a faster version of Windows 7. So, do you want me to check how to do it?
Yes, you check while I go through this.
Sure.
So you may have watched the other one that I did. Got a couple of hater comments. I think it's pretty much all sorted out though. It's lagging because I'm recording and Skype live streaming over. Process has half of my RAM, so yeah, it unlocks just like a normal, and like an iPhone or something. Well, not an iPhone, but something where you just drag up, so like an Android phone. And then you got this login. I don't really like it much, but here, note that shutdown button, that power button here. That is the only way you can shut down your Windows 8 computer. That's it. That's the only way. You have to log off first, which is stupid. Or switch user.
Make your computer easier
just
to
listen
use.
to this.
Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar to select the highlighted option.
What are we doing?
Just listen. Did you hear that?
Nope. Oh right, I can't hear
Make
the
your computer
system
easier
sounds,
to
don't worry
use.
about it.
Oh, alright then. Basically, that's Microsoft Sam saying stuff, and it's bad compared to Google.
Yeah, I heard it in the last video you did. Yeah, okay,
It's depressing, really. And you will know the password if you've watched the other one. Some people say it starts up faster than Windows 7. It really doesn't. I know, from what I've seen, it doesn't. So you can scroll.
Yeah, but you're on...
Hmm?
On what, did you say it runs faster? Or it doesn't?
It doesn't boot up faster.
Yeah, but that's because you're on a virtual machine.
In theory, it should boot up faster if I'm on a virtual machine.
Mm.
Because
Yeah, but you're not
getting
getting...
to get to a hard drive. It just needs to look at itself.
Yeah, but you're not giving it enough, like, resources, are you?
I am. I'm giving it 2 gig of RAM, which is enough considering Windows 7 is designed to work on 1 gig.
Okay, you need to go into regedit.
Well, that is our first problem, because you have no run function. Apart from apparently, if you hover over this, it gives you nope.
Okay, it's just gone black. Oh no, it's better.
Yeah, apparently if you hover over this, it works. It brings up start menu, but it doesn't. What if
Can
I
you
right
right click it?
Yes, and it says properties. Jump lists. Brilliant.
Toolbars.
Okay, that's not what I want at all. Well, now we're going to have to do it the way that only geeks know how to do it. Which is go here,
What?
and do you like the new Explorer?
I can't see it yet, I'm lagging.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
It's not called Explorer, it's called Ribbon. Ribbon
weird.
UI. It looks like it's a fat kid. If Explorer was just a normal lanky kid, tall lanky kid, this is fat.
Yeah,
This is-
it has
this
got a
is the
load
kid-
of crap.
This is a kid in school who can't walk through a door. This is just, Usman the corridor blocker. No, it's the fat one, basically.
Yeah, but I'm looking at it and I'm guessing the reason it has all these delete, move to, copy to buttons
Because people don't like
are
right-clicking.
for... No, it's for tablets, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess. But I think it would be nice. The interface would be nice for new people, for people who aren't technically adept. But Explorer used to be the best at what it does.
Mm.
So
But you can. I bet you can put back the old version of Explorer.
you probably can in regedit.
I think no, you could just replace the .exe. I bet.
No, I don't think you could because there's other stuff in there. It's just the EXES is a main bit. EXE is a main bit. I don't know. Maybe. I'll try it.
Yeah, I'd try it anyway.
So where do I go? Machine, I guess.
Hold on, I'm still watching in full screen, right? Okay, you go. Oh, what was it? Regedit.
Yeah.
H key current user.
Oh, look, user environment.
Software. No, software.
All right, software. Microsoft.
Windows current version.
Windows. Current version. Is it Metro? Is it called Metro? Like in here?
No, it's Explorer.
Oh, but that's not what Explorer. What?
It is part of Explorer.
No, it's not. Explorer is the desktop. That's the Windows 70 style desktop, not Metro.
Okay, now it should be W8 Dev Pre SMT.
No.
Is there anything like that? Okay.
Well, there's Word,
what is
Wheel,
there?
Query, and Wallpapers.
Hold on, I'm lagging again. Just wait for me to catch up. I've got default and start menu. Have a look at them. One of them should be at. Oh, I'll have a look. I should really read this better. Okay.
So far, I'm not impressed.
So current version Explorer. Okay, it doesn't actually say. I'll have to find another one.
Right, while you
Oh,
find
this
that
one
one,
there.
I'll go through some of the other features. So I'm running this on a laptop. So as I was saying, so the Win key just goes back to there, and yes, it is a Win key. It is a Windows key. Well, it's not a Windows key. It's a Win key. So next time you're in school or at work, say to the person working next to you, your computer's Win key is small. But yeah, you can scroll along here, and it's lagging a bit. I know that's just my laptop. It's not the operating system. You can't close applets, which is kind of annoying. So you can't close Internet Explorer. You can close programs that you've downloaded for Windows 7. So that's an old version of Firefox. Well, not old, but it's not designed for Windows 8. So that's okay.
Okay, I've got it.
All right.
Got it.
While you are there you go. While you are on the internet, could you search for how to the directory of the Metro tablets, because I think that would be a nice way to hack it. Oh yeah, by the way, this has been hacked already, Windows 8, and it's not something that's going to be fixed by them because they spent lots of money on it.
Okay, so disable Metro, so it should be modify the RP enabled.
In where? In Explorer?
Yeah.
There's no R's in here. Yes, there is. Ribbon. Nope. There's
No, RP enable.
There's recent docs and ribbon.
Okay. Have you gone into H key current user?
Yes.
Software.
HKey current user. Are you sure it's not local machine or current config?
No, it's navigate to hkey _ current _ user / software.
Okay, so far I'm not liking this, but okay, I'll carry on. Windows.
Okay, so you're on. No, Microsoft Windows.
Alright, yeah, Microsoft Windows, my bad. Windows.
Current version.
Current version.
Explorer.
Have I gone past it? Yes. Explorer and.
It should say RP enabled.
No, there's just ribbon and recent docs.
Is there nothing?
Nope. You can see.
Is something wrong with your install? Hold on.
Are you sure that's the right version?
How to disable Metro in Windows 8 Developer Preview. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, which Windows 8 developer preview?
Oh, how many are there?
Build 8102. Oh well, we'll forget about that.
it
Let's
doesn't
just say
say.
you can, and I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Okay, so far you can't run programs, you can't search properly without using Windows Explorer. You can't. So you don't have run. Okay, I'll just leave it hovering for a bit. You don't have. How many things don't you have? Oh, yeah, and I still haven't let go. I hate that. I still haven't let go. I know that might be fixed, but you click on it and I just let go, but it still took me there, which I don't like. I like being able to choose when to do it. Application doors. Yeah, door. Open. Yes. Okay, so that's kind of boring. Let's see. Do I have the right click as well? Yes. So that's annoying. Of course, the way to get around it is to make a new shortcut, and then you've got shutdown dash F dash T, or is it dash D, T or D dash 5, and then you can shut down your computer. But that didn't work because I got the command wrong, but that's fine. So that's a way to get around things. You can just run commands like that. But yeah, so what else is there? I've got my Google Docs document up here.
Well, why didn't you have a look at some of the pre-installed apps? They look fun.
Well, I'll just read you this hack information. So the new technology will be OEM Activation 3.0, an upgrade from OA 2.1, which was used in Windows 7. A quick Google search will land you on Microsoft job post confirming a position for this project. And then there's more, if you want to hear more detail about that, look at the one that's just me, because I don't have anyone to bore apart from you. Yeah, the snap doesn't work properly. So the thing where you drag things to the side, it doesn't work very well. Yeah, some people said in the last video that they have these kinds of things on their phone, on the Windows Phone 7, I think. Windows Phone 7.
Yeah.
And they're live. I don't know, they might be.
I wouldn't have thought they would be in the developer preview, at least.
Well, I don't know, they might be. I've got Slashdot in the news here.
Try. Oh,
So of
news,
course this is all lagging more than it would. So I'm giving it some credit for this, but so the tiles are kind of nice. Yeah, so I'm not getting anything live at the moment. So the tiles are kind of good, but they would be better if it was live. You can customize stuff a lot more than you used to be, and they've now brought out something called media servers. Microsoft have, based on Windows 8. Dreadful idea, another way to steal your money. I don't like it at all. Now we'll do what Adam wanted and look at some more things. Oh, it is live. It's just updated and it's live now. Nice. So that's fine.
Alright. Okay. Well, one thing that I read about of one of the new features was log-on screen, and you can like choose, or you can click on different parts of a picture to log on, and if you got the right ones,
You mean for the password?
it should work. Yeah.
Well, so far all I've found is just a normal password.
Well, go onto control panel then. I was about to say that, but you closed it down.
I just logged off because you said something about the log-on screen. Should we just have a look at if they've added any new ease of access?
Make your computer easier to use.
Shut up. Sticky
Okay,
keys don't
if you
work.
want.
High contrast, that's annoying.
Automatically.
But it might be useful. I
Press
don't even
the space
see
bar
how
to select the
useful.
highlighted option.
Filter keys. That's so basically they've got less
Narrator.
things than there was. So hang on, someone did say about having a nice
Make your
on-screen keyboard.
computer
So we'll have a
easier.
look at that.
On-screen keyboard.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be the same as the old one. I'm getting massive lag here. Oh, there we go.
Well, it's
Yeah, it looks alright.
It's the same as the keyboard on my Android phone.
Oh well. How about just log on now? Oh, right, you are.
That's better than it used to be, though. That is better than it used to be. I'm not going to take that from it. So control panel. And the first thing you get is horrible customability options, which I don't like. I don't like all this prettiness because it means you can't do anything properly. General, I guess, maybe. Whoa.
Right,
They
sorry
know
about
that
that.
it's
My
going to
mum
get
walked into my
spurned.
room.
They know that it's going to get slow and break because they've put these in.
Oh, good. Refresh your PC without affecting your files. So that's effectively just rebooting. And reset your PC and start over. That's just a factory reset.
Yeah. But at least they've
Okay.
added that in, so it's easy-ish.
Yeah. So is there a way to go onto password or something? Privacy, that'll do.
Where is it? Oh yeah.
At the top above general. Oh no, that's how apps use your personal info. Okay.
Privacy statement. They've actually given you one now. Users.
Personalize, I would have thought.
Change your password, maybe. Create a picture
Okay, yeah,
password.
try picture password. There you go. Told you. Go on. Use one of the sample ones.
Oops, did I put it in wrong?
What is it?
What, the password?
Yeah.
Password.
How can you type that in wrong?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there you go. Told you.
Your touchscreen PC. Thanks.
Picture password is a new way to help you protect your touchscreen PC.
Yeah, I just said that.
You choose the picture and it gestures great.
Okay, that's just dumb. If I guess that would be nice if I did have a finger that I could use on this screen. I do have fingers, but if I could use it on the screen. Have they provided me with no sample pictures? It's ridiculous. Pin lock.
Wow. Maybe it's just because this is a developer preview. I would have thought they'd bring some back in.
Yeah, they probably will. We've still got a... what should I put in? I'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I put in?
That's just undermining the way of using a...
Exactly. That is stupid.
Okay, that is stupid. Having a pin. That's just... Why not have no password and have a pin?
That's... Okay, now we're both getting annoyed.
Okay, that'll be useful on a phone, if it goes on phones, but I presume they'll have a different kind of system for phones.
No, I think it's pretty much just going to be ported. So far, we've both been annoyed by it, and we've both been impressed by parts of it. So far,
Yeah.
It's not bought me for however much money it is. Do you mind looking that up while I demonstrate some of these?
I'm guessing it'll be about 70 quid for the home premium, as it normally is.
Probably more than 70. It's normally like 120, isn't it? Or is that for the second
Not sure.
one?
It depends.
Is it
Intel-based Windows 8 tablets to cost more than the iPad? Yeah, why not? Let's have a look at that. Okay. Windows 8 tablets may go from $599 to $899.
How much is your operating system on its own?
I'm trying to find it, but it doesn't... Okay, let's type in Windows OS.
The operating system on its own is free because you can just torrent it.
Yeah, but that's kind of cheating, Joe. It doesn't say. It's all about Windows 8 tablet cost.
Just Google Microsoft proposed... So I don't like the piano, by the way. That is really not very good. Google proposed Windows 8... yeah, proposed Windows 8 cost.
Price.
Well, I guess it's kind of nice that they've put some decent games in, but I'm not very good at that game, so I'm not going to play it. It's nice that they put some decent games in. Paint Play, I'm pretty sure that's just Paint. I think this is basically kind of ruining the point of having an operating system, to be honest. Because you can't start programs, you can't look at all of your programs. It's basically a rip-off of the Ubuntu head-up display, HUD.
I think it's more for... I know it's going away from what they originally did.
Just want to point out, why would you put remote desktop with the games? The children will just be clicking on them all and they'll be like, ooh, remote desktop. Type in a server name.
So... it doesn't say, but it says that you can use Kinect sensors with Windows 8.
Oh yeah, CES. They were talking about that. I don't know how well that's going to work, but basically, they weren't talking about at CES. Apparently, they weren't talking about what. Okay, I'm going to quote someone here. Microsoft was like the really hot girl that you really want to have sex with, all she wants to talk about is her really adorable son, which is a Connect. So they were basically, Johnny wants to serve. What? Yeah. So basically, at CES they decided to talk about the wrong thing. Why is the music still playing? I can't even close it.
Joe, what build are we on?
1.8 something.
Okay, it says, I'm just reading milestone leaks. A 64-bit milestone 3 build 7989 has been leaked.
This is new. What? This isn't even leaked, so. What? No.
I'm guessing that's alpha.
How do you close this? This is stupid.
So, it doesn't
It
say.
doesn't even come up with. Oh. Suspended. See, you can't close these apps without going as a task manager. It's ridiculous. I'm not very happy at all.
Yeah, there's nothing on the Wikipedia page or anything like that. There's nothing about price yet. It hasn't been announced.
That's not very clever.
No.
Seriously, this is
100% CPU power. Was that correct?
I don't know. The music was lagging. That's dreadful. I don't like this. Okay.
It's a slightly more user-friendly version.
User friendly if you're someone who doesn't want to be able to open applications. Because at the moment I haven't worked out how to open any applications. Because these are not the kind of applications you want to use. How do I open Notepad? I guess it might fix it in the future. I haven't actually tried right clicking on this. Can I add? And I can't.
I don't know, that is kind of weird how they haven't got any of the default or general programs.
They've got their new ones, but they haven't got the ones that people actually use. Well done, Microsoft.
They've got all of these pre-installed games and crap like that.
How do you add things to it? Can I add things? Because I was just
You've got NoteSpace and InkPad. Yeah. They sound like
they sound like this kind of thing that your kid. NoteSpace apparently is quite useful. Do you use it? I think you use it. Do you?
It's on Windows 7. It's called Sticky Notes, but whatever. So what have
lock screen application? Oh, well, that's brilliant. I've got a news thing and it can't do that. Can I? Is there a Facebook app yet? I'll go on the App Store because I haven't actually been on this yet. I kind of neglected most of the stuff. Socialite apparently is really good for integrating lots of different. Come on. Yeah, it apparently is really good for integrating loads of different social networking things. Guess what? For Socialite, you need to pay a lot of money to have this operating system, which probably won't work properly. And okay, I'm gonna trust that it works. Actually, no, that's pretty stupid, really. Me trusting that it works, but with Linux, you get one built in, which is probably better than that. I haven't tried that, but I'm assuming it's better because it's been in every single one. So it's had more improved.
I don't know, it looks like it will be absolutely fine for tablets and phones, but desktops are supposed to be much more free, and you're supposed to be able to do much more with it. This seems to be kind of restricted.
They're being really stupid.
It reminds me of Apple OS. It's really restricted, but it's absolutely lovely to use until you want to do something until you want to do something that the computer might not like turning off the antivirus.
Yeah. When you try and turn off the antivirus, it doesn't work. It just nope, you can't do that.
I'm sure someone will make a Windows 7 mod for it, but you might as well just use Windows 7.
I've got PlanWin, which is open source, so you can actually do it. I'm just playing this game. This is not impressing me at all. This is not enjoyable.
Yeah, but none of the Windows games ever do they? It's like Minesweeper, Inkball, and that kind of crap.
Isn't InkPad where you draw some things?
No, Inkball.
Oh, that's it. My brother and I spent ages playing on it because we were really bored on holiday.
Yeah, you must have been.
And my dad started playing it as well, and he's normally quite cynical about games. Okay, enough of that, and I now need to open up Task Manager. I haven't tried Control and Delete does. I've only done Control Shift Escape. See, the music's still playing. It's ridiculous.
What music is this?
Oh, it's just dreadful. It really is dreadful music. How is the Task Manager taking up 15%? Yeah, this installation took up, let's see, it's a 20 gigabyte VDI. This took up, that's better than Windows 7. Windows 7 takes up 14 gigabyte, 14 to 16 gigabytes.
Yeah, but Windows 7 is seemingly a lot better at the moment.
This takes up about 9 gigabytes because I've downloaded about. Okay, maybe slightly less. Maybe. Yeah, probably about 9 gigabytes. I'm not enjoying my experience with this operating system at this current moment in time. Please, I don't know. I was about to wrap it up. Do you want to say anything?
I don't know, it looks kind of disappointing from my view. I'll have to install it on mine and have a look around, and I'll do an update video if I find anything that's slightly less restricted than this. But apart from that, it just looks a bit restricted.
Yeah.
And
see, even the Windows guy,
yeah,
the
design
guy who's meant to be improving it or providing an unbiased view, hates it. Well, not hate it, I guess. I hate it. I'm really not.
I don't know. Yeah, I think one thing that they've always done is all the bloatware that comes with Windows, depending on what kind of manufacturer you buy it from, whether it's like Vio or Acer or whatever, it always comes with bloatware, but that is kind of hidden away. Like, if I go onto games, it comes with a load of bloatware from Acer, but it's got like Farm Frenzy, that sounds fun, but it's always been hidden away on that. It's right on the Metro screen, and it's just too intrusive.
I don't like it. I really don't. What
No,
am
I think
doing?
you might have said that once or twice.
Really? I don't think so.
Well, that looks fun. You're designing a paper plane
I
or
wanted to
something.
throw it.
Well,
No, I'm making it
I
bigger.
don't see anything to throw it.
Huh?
I don't see anything to throw it with.
Well, this is just dreadful. Come on.
I would give up.
Yes, I am.
Right, shall we call that it?
Yes, we'll call that it.
Cool.
Thanks for watching. If you have anything that we've missed out that you want us to cover, because I think for now we're going to be covering Windows 8 quite a lot because I hate it and I have fun hating it. So, if anyone can persuade me to like it, then please try. In my other video, I forgot to put the download link to the ISO. Adam, do you want to do a tutorial now on how to install Windows?
Yeah, we
How
can.
to install it, so you can try it for yourself.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. Go watch my other video if you want to see the bias version, which has more of me shouting at it. And yeah, thanks for stopping by, and this is taking a ridiculously long time to load. Okay, bye, I guess.